When I was a kid, I hate to study. I like watching TV much more. However, one day when I was about 9 years old, I saw a documentary on TV. The TV presenter made a boat from some aluminium foil and managed to get the boat to move forward using only that thin slice of soap. He said this movement is caused by surface tension. He said surface tension happens at the surface of the water when water pushes against each other. I repeated the experiment later by myself. I understood the concept called surface tension immediately until this day. When I was young, I was introduced to surface tension using this experiment.
With this thought in mind, ASTI has designed APLUS program for the secondary school students. APLUS program is a series of workshops that aims to introduce the basic principles and concepts of science away from just facts and formulas. The contents would follow the school curriculum. The learning is done in an experiential manner, focusing on activities and experiments. Once the concept is understood well, the facts and formulas can be better absorbed when students learn it in their respective schools. Participate in exciting, hands-on experiments and activities under the guidance of skilled instructors and facilitators. Deeper understanding of the scientific concepts, though in the schools using the experiential learning method. We believe that APLUS will help students learn better by making learning more conceptual and experiential. The Association of Science, Technology and Innovation, ASTI, is an association committed to enhancing the standard of education and in making Malaysia a knowledge-based society through guiding and inspiring the youth of our nation to excel in the world of science and innovation thinking. The cost for each workshop is Rm70, including food and materials for workshops for each student. There will be 3 to 4 days workshop session per year from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. each workshop. In 2019, it is for Form 1 students syllabus only. APLUS program will be conducted in English medium. If you are interested, for further details, kindly contact us.